Hey guys, it's Esther and I'll show you how to draw an owl. So first, let's draw a heart. This will help us place the eyes and the beak. So first, let's add 2 big circles. And then 2 little circles inside of the big circles. And then the beak is going to be an upside down teardrop. Now let's add, they're kind of like eyebrows. And so then let's try to make them a little bit long because it's the feather coming out on the side. They look like ears. Alright. And then we're going to draw the body. So the body is like a teardrop without the top point. And then 2 little curves on the bottom for the feet with a line down the middle. And then 2 curves for the wings. Now let's go over with marker, and I'm just going to add a little catch light on each eye and then color in the rest. Alright, now let's do the second circle on each eye and then the little beak. Okay, for the little eyebrows, and then the side of the feathers, the bottom of the heart, and then I'm just gonna curve in the wings first, and then I will do the feet. So the feet, add little curves from each point, and then color it in. You can draw your feet however you want. There's different ways to draw them. But this one's, I guess, the most simple one. And then the bottom, just add squigglies and add the feathers. Okay, now let's add a little bit more thickness to the eyebrows. And then add little feathers coming out from the ears. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and if you would like to see more content and videos, go ahead and follow me on my social media.